you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be continuing our palette journey, and today we're going to be using the Romantic Beauty Supernova 32 color professional eyeshadow palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this look on my eyes, then just stay tuned. All right, so starting this look off, I'm going to take a mixture of this purple right here, a little bit of this color, and this black. And we're just going to place that towards the front of our brow area right in here. All right, so now I'm going to take this color right here alone, which is called Martian, and I'm just going to blend that out a bit. So I'm taking a little bit of infrared up here and mixing it with a tiny bit of Jupiter, and we're just going to blend that out even further. Gonna take the slightest bit of Jupiter by itself. And then just the tiniest bit of Lightspeed. And then we're just gonna repeat that same color process on the outer portion of this eye. All right, so now I'm going to take Emote as well as Sangre by Hank and Henry, mix these two together and put them on my waterline area. And then we're just going to repeat that same color process down on our lower lash line area. And then I'm going to just put a little bit of that orange and yellow on the lid. All right, so now I am going to apply some Beat Gang lashes in the style T, and I'll be right back with the final look. I just took my hair down out of the ponytail, so it's a little messy looking, but here is the final eye look. And for those of you who would like to know what's on my lips, I'm wearing Lime Crime Suede Berry, Squash, and Blood Moon, and then Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Potion, which I believe this is discontinued. But I just wanted to do a little matching lippy with this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.